Two popular rewards cards enter the ring: Amex Gold versus Citi Strata Premier. So, which one really delivers? On the left, Amex Gold, famous for foodie perks and travel credits. And on the right, Citi Strata Premier, known for flexible rewards and a lighter annual fee. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect.
Okay, here's the mind map for today's comparison. We're looking at annual fee, rewards earning, welcome offer, point value and redemption, credits and perks, purchase protection and warranty, foreign transaction fees, and the authorized user fee. So kind of all the stuff that really separates a meh card from a total game changer. So first up, annual fee. The Amex Gold is honestly pretty pricey. You're looking at $325 a year. Now, they do throw in a bunch of monthly credits, like for food and with Uber, but still, that fee can feel hefty if you're not fully using those perks. On the flip side, Citi Strata Premier comes in at just $95 per year. It's way more approachable for most folks. No monthly credits to offset, but that upfront cost is, just way less intimidating. So, lower fee, easier entry. That round goes to Citi Strata Premier. Next, let's talk rewards earning. Amex Gold is a beast here, honestly. You get 4x points at restaurants and U.S. supermarkets, up to $25K a year, too. Plus, 3x on flights booked right through Amex Travel. But it's only 1x everywhere else. And weirdly, no bonus on gas. So if you're road tripping a lot, then Citi Strata Premier. Also pretty great. You get 3x on restaurants, supermarkets, gas stations, air travel, hotels. They even offer 10x, but only if you're booking stuff via citytravel.com, which, who does that regularly? But hey, 3x on gas is solid, and coverage of lots of everyday categories is a nice touch. However, the Amex Gold just brings more juice with those 4x multipliers. So Amex takes this round. Moving to welcome offer. Both of these cards are swinging for the fences. Amex Gold drops 60,000 points if you spend 4K, but you've got 6 months to hit it. Citi Strata Premier also offers 60,000 points for 4K spend, but you've only got 3 months. Slight difference in the timeline, and truth be told, Citi points may come out slightly lower in value. But really, both are awesome starter bonuses. So I'm calling it, that's a tie. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know the Amex Gold is actually a solid chunk of metal? It weighs more than double your average plastic card. You'll feel it every time you pull it out, like you're about to drop a mic or something. Let's talk about how you actually use those points. Point value and redemption. Amex Gold points are worth about 2 cents each if you know how to play the transfer partner game. And you get access to some seriously baller travel programs. Now, non-travel redemptions aren't as strong, but if you love squeezing the max value, this is exciting stuff. Citi Strata Premier comes in a little lower, around 1.6 cents per point with partners. On the bright side, you get a load more flexibility: cash, statement credits, gift cards, etc. Some big-name partners aren't available, though, so it's a bit of a trade-off. Still, that higher point value, Amex Gold wins here. On to credits and perks. This is where Amex Gold just goes wild. We're talking $10 every month for dining at select places, $10 for Uber, $100 Resi credit split into 2 chunks, and even $7 a month for Dunkin' if you're, a coffee and donut person. It really stacks up, almost like the card pays for itself. Well, if you actually use those perks. Little catch, you do need to enroll for each one, so don't forget. With Citi Strata Premier, it's mostly just $100 hotel savings per year if you book a $500 plus stay through their portal. No fun monthly perks, which is kinda meh. So, big surprise, Amex Gold runs away with this round. All right, now for purchase protection and warranty. Amex Gold gives you 90-day purchase protection up to $10K per item, $50K per event, plus an extra year on warranty. Handy for most everyday purchases, but it's a shorter extension than what Citi offers. Citi Strata Premier actually bumps it up. Same purchase protection, but also up to 24 months extended warranty on eligible products. Up to a total of 7 years coverage in some cases. That's huge if you're the type who hates replacing gadgets. So Citi nudges out Amex for this one. Quick one here. Foreign transaction fees. No weird charges on either card when you're spending abroad, so you can travel with peace of mind. Super simple. Gonna call that a tie. Last, let's talk authorized user fee. So if you want to add someone else on your Amex Gold, it'll cost you $35 a pop. Not a deal breaker, but why though? Citi Strata Premier says, hey, go wild, and lets you add authorized users for free. That's just way easier if you're managing family finances or helping out a partner. So Citi easily takes this category. So looking at the scores, you see strengths on both sides. Amex Gold is all about big rewards for food, elite perks, and travel value. Citi Strata Premier is more well-rounded, with amazing flexibility, killer protection, and that wallet-friendly fee. So, who's it for? If you're always at restaurants, want to treat yourself with monthly perks, and can actually use all the credits, and that annual fee doesn't scare you, Amex Gold is a no-brainer. But if you want that solid, everyday rewards coverage, easy redemptions, free authorized users, and prefer a card that's just, less expensive up front, Citi Strata Premier is a total win. Liked this breakdown? Smash that follow for more deep dives on cards, travel hacks, and everything points related. See you next